In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blank video clip in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're looking to insert a placeholder in your timeline or want to incorporate a simple transition, knowing how to create a blank video can be incredibly useful. This tutorial is going to walk you through this process step by step. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to have DaVinci Resolve open on your computer, and from there we'll begin in the Edit page. The Edit page is essentially your workspace, where all the magic happens. It's where you can compile your clips, make edits, and see your project take shape. If you're not familiar with the layout, don't worry. The interface is user-friendly, and with a bit of practice, you'll be navigating it like a pro. Once you're on the Edit page, you'll want to direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. This is where the Effects area is located. Click on Effects, and this will bring up a panel with various options that are essential for adding different elements and enhancements to your video project. With the Effects panel displayed, the next step is to find Fusion Composition. To do this, ensure you're still under the Effects tab, where you can use the search bar to type in Fusion Composition. This feature is particularly powerful as it allows you to create complex visual effects and motion graphics. However, for today's purpose, we are focusing on creating a simple blank video. Once you've located Fusion Composition, the next step is to drag it onto your timeline. You can think of your timeline as the canvas where your video project is painted. Dragging Fusion Composition onto it essentially places a blank canvas right in front of you. You'll notice when you do this that the preview doesn't show anything. That's completely normal because we haven't added anything to the composition yet. It remains blank just as we intend. There you have it. You've successfully created a blank video clip in DaVinci Resolve. This technique is particularly handy if you want to section off parts of your project, or if you're planning to return later and add additional content or effects. It's a simple yet powerful way to organize and plan your video editing process. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Making use of blank video clips can be a great way of managing your projects effectively and leaving room for future creativity. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on mastering DaVinci Resolve. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.